Hello everyone, I'm here today to talk to you about this new web application I've been working on. It's just a prototype for now, and it's a platform that is meant to help people. It's meant to take place of search engines for some areas of the research and help people to retrieve more information more quickly, more immediate. It uses artificial intelligence and data visualization to inform people about what they're looking for. And I'm gonna show you now how it works. Here we are. This is the um, application I was talking about, the future web application I was talking about. Its front page is meant to resemble more or less, Google or Bing for familiarity. So we have two text boxes instead of one, in which you specify the search term we want to look for and its domain. So, for example, we can look for NLP, natural language processing, in the domain of deep learning. So, specific for finding information about neural networks and these kind of things that are really trending nowadays. We submit the form, and if we wait a bit, the introduction page is going to open. And the introduction page is the most informative, I will say, and the most useful, and how, like, the biggest difference between the techniques that are used nowadays to search things and this platform. So we have these visualization techniques. We have first of all, we have the AI generated description. So what is NLP? What topics are related to NLP? And what are the latest development of NLP? And then we have these maps and plots representing, the correlation between the topics related to NLP and the trends of the most correlated topic, and a word map as well to see where the topic is looked for the most. We can see that, for example, there is a strong correlation between AI and machine learning, which is not surprising. And yeah, the dimension of the node is also represents the importance compared to NLP for each topic. And the thickness of the edge is the correlation between the two things. So how many times they co-occur with each other. And then I also have an in-depth section in which academical articles are scraped. Academical abstracts actually are scraped, the most relevant one, and are summarized, and the information is extracted and given to the user as an output. Now we have to wait for a second because again it has to scrape information from the internet. Okay, so here we have the articles, the five most relevant articles. We have the title, summary, the PDF URL, and the possible repository URL, which is never here in this case. And the user can search also for article of how certain topics relate to NLP. So we can like look for example, how does transfer learning relate to NLP? And now the page is gonna load again, and it will find articles with regarding NLP and transfer learning. And it's also gonna give a description of how the two topics are related to each other. So if we give it a second, it will work. Okay, there is no one-to-one mapping between NLP and transfer learning. This is the description generated by artificial intelligence, by these big language models. Um, these are other articles, of course. And yeah, this is the website I was talking about. And yeah, let me know what you think about it. So that was it, guys. I hope you liked it, and if you did, don't hesitate me to contact me via LinkedIn or via email, which you can find in the description. And yeah, have a good one.